What I'd like you to do next is do the same sort of absolute targeting so that when you click on the policeman and when you click on the fireman, this is under the guys 1_MC, that you output their names to that box as well. And in the meantime, I'm going to go on to the next tutorial. So let's go ahead and create a new section down here. This will be the relative targeting. And I'm going to copy and paste the existing function event listener pair because it has pretty much what I need. We're going to change things around just a little bit. This is going to be getting the Nurse 2 movie clip, and I can even just say get name. I'll get names 2. And the reason why is because this is going to be a little bit more generic than the other one. Now, we're going to be targeting a different nurse. This time it's going to be targeting Nurse 2 instead of Nurse 1. So that's what we need to change for our event listener. And of course, we can use this instead of root. And of course, we also need to change get nurse to get names 2 because we're indicating that we're dealing with the second group there. And the main changes are going to come here. Now, right now we've got root.name, so let's change this to this. And now what we're going to change, the main thing we're going to change is that stuff right before my name. Since we have an event for the mouse event that's passed to this particular function, we can actually use that as the target. So we do evt.target, so event.target.myname. So whatever we click on will actually go inside of that. We'll use that as the target, I guess, and then it will go inside of that and get the name. So let's make sure that we have that correct. Nurse2_MC. That is Nurse2_MC. So I believe that we're ready to go and test this out. Now when I click on Nurse 2, you'll see that it outputs her name here. And it's very easy for you to modify this script for the next policeman and fireman because you use the exact same function. The function does not change at all. All you have to do is target the different movie clips with the event listener because, once again, we're really keeping track of the relative target by event.target. And of course, it could be e.target or event.target or evt. It doesn't really matter the name of the variable that you have there. But whatever you click on will become the target. So that's how you're going to be finishing this file. And when you're done, save your work and go on to the next tutorials. Thanks.